Did you know that not all carbohydrates are bad for your weight loss journey? That's right. Carbohydrates, often vilified in the world of dieting, are not the enemy if you know which ones to choose. The key is in understanding the difference between simple and complex carbs. Simple carbs, like those found in sugary drinks and pastries, are rapidly digested and can lead to spikes in blood sugar levels, leaving you hungry and craving more. On the other hand, complex carbs found in whole grains, legumes, and fruits take longer to digest. This means they keep you feeling full for longer and provide a steady release of energy. And here's an interesting twist. These complex carbs can actually aid in weight loss. They're packed with fiber, which not only helps control appetite but also aids in digestion. So it's not about eliminating carbs from your diet, but rather choosing the right ones. Wondering what the right carbs are for weight loss? Let's break it down. Carbohydrates often get a bad rap, but they're not all created equal. Some carbs can actually be your allies in your weight loss journey. Let's start with whole grains. These are powerhouses of nutrition, packed with fiber that makes you feel full longer, helping to curb those snack cravings. Next, we have legumes like lentils, chickpeas, and black beans. They're not only high in protein, but also filled with complex carbs that your body digests slowly, keeping you energized and satisfied. Lastly, fruits. They're nature's sweet treats, filled with fiber and essential nutrients. The natural sugars in fruits are not the same as those in processed foods, and they're much better for your health. So it's clear that whole grains, legumes, and fruits are carbs that can actually support your weight loss goals. Let's summarize what we've learned about carbs and weight loss. Carbohydrates, often misunderstood, are not the enemy. In fact, they're necessary for our bodies to function optimally. The trick lies in selecting the right kind of carbs, the ones that fuel our bodies, keep us full longer, and promote overall health. Whole grains, with their rich fiber content, help regulate our blood sugar levels and keep us feeling satisfied. Legumes, packed with protein and fiber, are a powerful tool in weight management. And let's not forget the natural sweetness and nutrient density of fruits. Nature's candy, if you will. So remember, it's not about eliminating carbs, it's about choosing wisely. Opt for whole grains, legumes, and fruits to fuel your body the right way. By choosing the right carbs, you can support your weight loss journey, not sabotage it. To learn more, visit our website and don't forget to subscribe for more healthy tips.